Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll show you how to fix the error where it's saying on your TV file format not supported. I'll show you what I mean. Alright, so this is my flash drive that's connected. You'll notice I'm trying to play a file here, and when I try to play the file, I get the following error. And as you can see here, it says file format not supported. Alright, so it gives me the option to stop and it gives me the details. So for example, if I go into the details, it takes me to some information page, and on this page it details all the information such as what exactly your TV supports. So this page would be great to figure out what files exactly and the formats for every video file, including to play subtitles and so on. So just mentioning that to you just in case this particular page were to come in handy, in case you want to know exactly what file formats will work here. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and cancel and show you, or stop I should say, just to show you what to do. So what this means is that this particular file format on a Samsung TV does not work. As you see here, the file format, you see the name, you'll notice it says .wmv. So WMV files or .wmv files do not work on Samsung TVs. It doesn't support it, right? And I think that's the Windows format for videos. So this particular video will not play on a Samsung TV. Alright, so I'm going to show you how to fix this. So in order to fix this, you'll need a PC. So go ahead and get your PC, and I'm also going to show you the formats that actually work. Okay, so this is from Samsung's official information page, which is more concise than the details page that I showed earlier. But it tells you in images, it supports these 4 types usually. But again, it's best to go to that detail page I show you. It gives you more information and it's more exact. And of course, these are the usual file formats that's supported as music. So you can use any music file format using that, and video. This is the official set of files that's supported as video. Now we're doing a video, and the type there was a .wmv or WMV file, and notice it's not here. Alright, so to fix the issue, I suggest that one, you get the file. So you'd have to move the flash drive from your TV back to your laptop, and once you're on your laptop, you'd have to go and get a video converter. I do not know if there's any free ones that you can install online. I don't have one right now that's installed. So if you have a video converter that can do file formats that's supported or conversions, you can actually research software that actually does that, and then you can take that file over here and then you can convert it to one of the file formats mentioned. MP4 is usually a good bet. So of course you'd convert from the WMV to MP4. So I'm going to show you an example here. And the secondary solution, the one that's much faster without needing to install anything, which I'm going to show you now, is to go online. You can search in Google. I am, first of all, warning you, I do not know this website. I simply use it for the situation at hand to fix the problem that I was having. So it's called cloudconvert.com. I do not know anything about this website, as I said, so use it at your own risk. And of course, you can always go on Google and simply search how to free online video file converter or image file or whatever it is. Alright, so I simply added a file here. There's a button usually here that says add, and once I click to add, I added this file, and then it's asking me to convert to what, and it says here that the file is WMV, as was the case with the file that you're seeing on my drive over here. Notice it's a WMV file, it's the same file. Notice I have the file over here, it's the same file, and it asks me, I have selected it by uploading it. Next, I would click WMV, so it's asking me to convert to, and if I tap, it's asking me, it can do, and this is why I recommend this one. It does audio. If you're having the problem with the audio file, it does images, and it does video. All right, so anything that you're using, it will work on. So in this case, I'll click video. And if you remember the list from before, that it supports a number of video files. And all I gotta do is make sure that I check my list once more. And I'll go back over to my list. And on the video formats here, notice it supports MKV, MPEG-4 or MP4. All right, so I'm going to use MP4. That one is usually safe across devices and TV sets. So of course I'm going to go back to the converter. Then I'm going to choose MP4. All right, so once I select MP4, I'm going to hit convert. It's going to do its thing. And then I'm going to hit download, and then I'm going to get the file. Then I'm going to place it back on the flash drive. All right, so I place it back on the flash drive like this. And then if I go ahead and play or select, play. All right, so notice this is the file. It's just a waterfall, a very simple file. And as you notice, there's no audio though, but as you see, it's playing. All right, so if you were able, all right, so you get the idea. Do remember that you do not need to use the exact website that I showed earlier. You can use your very own, and of course, if you do all of that, everything should be fine, as the conversion should work now, and you'll be able to do this with just about any file that you're having issues with. All right, so do hope this was useful. Remember, you can get a lot variety of software for free online, or even to download on your laptop, or whatever works best for you. All right, so I'm in the tutorial here. Do hope this was useful, and see you in the next one, guys. Bye.